As you can see, it's second map. I'm trying to invite him to the game, but he's not coming. Oh, he sent me a message saying invite. He's not coming to the game. It's last match 7 minutes ago now. Sorry that the video's a bit late. But he won't come to the game. For some reason I cannot connect to a private match. But okay. VZT Sunny. Last match 7 minutes ago. I played in first map and he's been offline since. Offline. I'll accept his friend request just to see if he is online. He is online. Online in pre-game lobby. I'm inviting him. Sent that invite message at 0:33, it's only now 0:38. He still won't come to the game. Don't even know what map it is, Skid Row. I'm going to the game again. He's now obviously forfeited for second map, but he has another 5 minutes to come to the next map. I'll send him a message. Come to the game. As you can see, he's just come to the game. I've been recording for 3 minutes. I'm going to give him till 11 minutes to join the game. Oh, and look. He's already reported to himself. Right, well, there we go. End of recording, thank you.